Divide 588 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 8 and it is 28. 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 588 divided by 3 is 196. So this much for today and thanks for watching.